it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today in our space, as you can see, I am outside and it is dark out. The reason why is because the project that I'm sharing with you now is part of a challenge that is issued by my lovely sister Krissie over at Hostedbykrssie. And the name of this challenge is Dollar Tree DIY, Make Something New. What she's asked us to do is to make something we've never made before using mainly Dollar Tree or very cheap, inexpensive craft store items. So this is my project, and what it is a floating fairy garden. And it comes along with 3 floating fairy garden terrariums. And please excuse my extension cord back there because we are on our front porch and we have our car plugged in because we have an electric vehicle. So let's just jump into what I did here. I was not going to do this project. I was going to do something else, but that kind of fell through, and I thought, how cool would it be to float a fairy garden? I've never done this before and I didn't know if I was going to be able to pull it off, but here it is. So the items that you'll need for this project are 1 wire wreath from the Dollar Tree, also a silver tray or a very lightweight plate, nothing ceramic, it'll be too heavy. This project is very heavy. A ton of succulents, as you can see. I purchased these from the Dollar Tree not too long ago, and I just did a haul yesterday for it. You're going to need some fairy garden pieces, and all of these are from our local Dollar Tree. I just love the little mushroom house. I had that last year, but the other pieces like the little mushrooms and the actual fairy, the little seating arrangement, and the welcome sign are all from this year. You're also going to need some floral moss, as you can see is in the bottom. I have some extra leaves from some other projects. I always keep them when I take the florals off, so those are there. You'll need 3 of the little hanging terrariums. I also bought 1 pack of the little butterflies, as you can see there. And I have some other fairy garden things inside the terrariums. Now, the one item that I did not get from the Dollar Tree is the fishing line. I already had that in my possession. Someone said they carried it, but I did not check to make sure. However, you can purchase that at Walmart for little or nothing. I would get one that's weighted at least 12 pounds because this one is 12 pounds. So this project is kind of heavy. Anything under 10 pounds, I wouldn't try to use. So how did I do this? Easy. The very first thing I did was cut the fishing line and attach it to the wire reef. That is what is supporting this entire project. The silver tray is just basically sitting on top of it, and I built the fairy garden on top of the silver tray. I took and I actually put down some paper towel to give height to the little building, and then I put moss around and placed the other pieces. Then I glued my succulents with hot glue all the way around. Now, before I actually put down all of the succulents, I did go in and put some Gorilla Glue along each one of the areas that was holding the fishing line, just so it wouldn't come loose, just to be safe. You could probably use E6000, but I was out of it already. Then I hung the unit, made the 3 terrariums, as I will show you some of that footage, and then hung those at various heights underneath to the wire reef. So everything is being supported with the fishing line on the wire reef. Chad guessed that this probably does weigh about 10 pounds. So I don't know, it seemed quite heavy to me. So that is it. This is my project. I love how it turned out. I can't believe that it is actually hanging here in the snow. It was 60 degrees here like a week ago. I cannot wait for it to warm up. So I want to thank my sister for hosting this challenge. I will list her channel down below along with the playlist of all the other participants in this challenge. Please go by, show her some love, and everyone else. I cannot wait to see what projects they all came up with. Also, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, for sharing my videos. And if you're not a member here at Lacee's Place, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. We have a lot of fun here. I come up with crazy, quirky things like this all the time. I also do hauls, shop with me, thrifting. Who knows what'll show up on this channel. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it is spelled here. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.